Beelink EQR7 Mini PC Review. Honest, real-world results for Ryzen 7 power and 4K workflows. Ever feel like your desktop tower is overkill for your space, but underwhelming for your workload? I remember staring at a bulky PC, cables everywhere, fan noise humming during a simple 4 kilobyte video export. It felt messy and inefficient. If you're craving serious performance without turning your desk into a server rack, you're not alone. You try a cheaper mini PC, and suddenly multitasking turns into lag and brain fog. Open Photoshop, spin up a few browser tabs, maybe a virtual machine, and everything slows. I tested a few compact systems that looked good on paper, but choked under pressure. There had to be a smarter middle ground, right? Then everything changed when I found the Beelink EQR7 Mini PC. Don't just pick any mini PC. Make sure it has an 8-core Ryzen processor and fast LPDDR5 memory, so you never waste time fighting slow exports and frozen apps again. The first time I booted it, Windows loaded in seconds from the NVMe SSD, and the system felt instantly responsive. Let me be honest, I expected compromises because of the size. Instead, the Ryzen 7 7735U with 8 cores and 16 threads handled video editing, heavy multitasking, and even light gaming without stutter. The integrated Radeon 680M pushed smooth 4K playback across dual HDMI monitors, which completely changed my workflow. The internal power supply meant one simple AC cable, no bulky brick under my desk. Add dual LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6, and suddenly it wasn't just a small PC, it was a flexible workstation or home server. Visually, the setup transforms into a clean, minimal command center. After weeks of daily use, the long-term reliability is what impressed me most. In hardware forums, power users highlight the rare combination of 24 GB LPDDR5 and dual LAN in this size category. A senior hardware engineer praised the integrated 85-watt power supply for eliminating cable clutter while maintaining stable power delivery. One content creator mentioned that Premiere Pro exports felt surprisingly quick for a mini PC, and a developer shared how the 8 cores handled Docker containers and virtual machines smoothly. Even home theater enthusiasts appreciate the near-silent operation during 4K playback, with reported noise levels around 32 decibels under load. Now, let's address a common concern: upgrade limitations. The RAM is soldered, so you need to choose your configuration carefully. However, 24 GB hits a practical sweet spot for heavy multitasking, and you can expand storage up to 8 TB using dual M.2 slots. It also lacks USB 4, so external GPUs are off the table. Ask yourself this: do you actually need eGPU support, or do you want a compact, reliable daily machine? Picture your desk a month from now, cleaner and more efficient. And let's move to the final takeaway. Imagine powering on a compact system that boots fast, stays quiet, and handles editing, coding, or streaming without hesitation. That's the everyday experience the Beelink EQR7 Mini PC is designed to deliver. Thousands of professionals and home users are moving toward powerful mini PCs to simplify their setups without sacrificing performance. If you want to check current availability, you'll find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Take your time, review the specs, and see if it fits your workflow.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.